minstrels who like to come down to the river to practice. So,
Hey! Ready! We'll prepare the castle defenses.
good plan, Harold.
Need to be fast.
Oh, here we go.
It is.
It's
Siege engines
everywhere.
have got bigger because castles have got bigger. It can take months or years to defeat a castle. But if you've got a trebuchet shooting massive rocks, you've got a good chance of smashing down the walls. Anyone defending a castle that sees a siege engine the size of Ursa will lose heart and is more likely to surrender. That's the power of the trebuchet.
Take cover!
Cannons are the new siege engines. They can shoot and move quicker than a trebuchet.
They've only got the one cannon, but it's a big one.
If anyone can sort our defences, it's Harold.
Well, I need you to be strong. You're fearless. I'm fearless. You're fearless. I'm fearless. And Claire, you're
Angry! I'm really angry that our castle is under attack!
Ah, good. Now listen, you two. Those Yorkists, they've got spies out there, and I want those spies to see that we, the castle's first line of defense, we're fearless. What are we? Fearless! Right?
Jesus.
Harold, can you distract that cannon?
What?
Harold comes from a long line of great bowmen. In fact, his grandfather fought at the Battle of Agincourt.
Charlie, the one that's firing that cannon.
It's over there!
No, it's over there.
It's over there!
It's over there.
If you actually like use your ears, you'll be able to hear it.
All
He
right,
said,
you two. Now the commands for loosing arrows are no, draw, loose. Right, everybody as loud as you can with me. Knock, draw, loose. Good, but louder. Let's try that again. Nice and loud. Knock, draw, loose. Good, louder still. Knock, draw, loose.
yes!
You did it, Harold! They'll not be firing that cannon again. That'll teach you!
We still need time to load Ursa.
Aye.
Loading the trebuchet takes time. You see that rope that's attached to the top of the throwing arm? It runs through a pulley and wraps itself around the axle which joins the two wheels. As the winders walk, they're pulling the arm down into its throwing position, which raises that huge oak box that's filled with rocks. It means that our winders are lifting about 7 tons.
Any sign of the earth?
No, not yet.
Wish she'd hurry up!
Being a winder is really hard work. It's hot and relentless and your legs really ache. You have to look straight ahead at the gaps in the wooden slats. So you're staring at this flickering light which can make you sick. And if you fall over, you can get really badly hurt as you're carried to the top of the wheel before falling back down. Let's give our winders some encouragement. After 3, give them a big cheer. 1, 2, 3! And again, 1, 2, 3!
Watch out! We need to hurry!
Hey, Sam! Look what we found!
It's a cannon!
A cannon? I'll be right over!
This'll give those Yorkies a scare.
Has anyone fired a cannon before?
Oh yes. All we need is a cannonball and some black powder.
Oh, well, here's a cannonball.
Oh, look. There's some black powder. Right, in that case, all we need is a ramrod.
What's a ramrod?
Like a big long wooden pole with cloth wrapped around one end of it.
Right.
What'd this do? I use it for work.
Oh, that smells funny.
Who does it?
It smells like you.
I don't smell.
You do.
I don't.
You do.
I don't. All right, you two, Mel. Swap the cannon.
Swabbing the cannon.
Load shot.
Loading shot.
Ram the shot.
Ramming shot.
Prime the turtle with black powder.
Black powder.
Prepare to light the black powder.
How do we like the powder?
With that, this.
Wow.
You ready to fire?
Ready to fire! Oh, yeah, sorry.
Listen up, Yorkies. Big trouble coming your way.
3, 2, 1, fire!
Did it work?
Take cover!
Oh my.
Leave us alone!
It looks like we have the arm down. That's great. The winders have worked really hard.
Arm down!
Arm down!
Well done, Thomas. Thomas has locked the arm with the trigger, pin, and chain.
I think the Yorkies are advancing.
We really need to hurry up.
Sam, please can we shoot Ursa?
Oh yes, Sam, please can we?
Not yet. We need to get the rope off the axle, so 2 winders will walk in the opposite direction while the other 2 step onto the brakes, which will stop the wheels from turning too fast. Once we've cleared the rope, we'll be ready to shoot.
What are we going to shoot?
Ooh, how about a beehive?
You can't shoot a beehive.
We could if we had one. One way to defeat a castle is to defeat the people inside. Break their morale. You can shoot anything like wasps' nests or pots of lime. Lime really burns the skin. And if you want to spread disease, you shoot dead animals or human waste.
I've got plenty of that.
What about severed heads?
Oh, are those 7 heads?
No. Cabbages.
We need to shoot a huge rock.
Yeah, a massive rock that'll break their cannon into bits.
A mighty rock.
Yeah, a mighty rock.
They've moved their cannon straight into the shooting line of the trebuchet.
Thomas, prepare the rock.
Prepare the mighty rock.
Horseman approaches.
Who is it?
York's spy. Come to see if the castle is well defended.
The horseman's coming this way.
What are we gonna do?
Stand firm.
We're gonna retreat.
Oh, we're nearly ready to shoot Ursa.
Look at her.
Who?
Her, the one waving a flag.
Yeah.
There.
Oh yeah.
Why is she waving a flag?
She's sending a message.
What's the message?
Message is, the bridge is not defended.
Look out, the horseman's getting nearer.
Do you think he's angry with us?
Be fearless.
I'd like to retreat.
Come on, Mel. We stand together.
Yeah, now. Together.
Oh yeah. Together.
Good now. Defenders, ready.
Born ready.
We're fearless.
We're
fearless.
Officers.
Peasants, I am Sir John Woodville, loyal servant of King Edward. I have a message for the Earl of Warwick. Where is the traitor?
The Earl and hundreds of our soldiers, thousands of our soldiers are about to rush from the castle and drive you from our lands.
Then we shoot Ursa.
Oh, Trebuchet.
You're going to shoot a trebuchet.
Aye.
Enough. Tell the Earl we await his surrender.
We'll tell the Earl.
When he gets back,
What did you say?
I said don't put me on the rack.
Surrender, or our mighty cannon will begin its destruction of Warwick Castle.
My lord, where is your mighty cannon?
Yonder, with a direct line of fire.
With a bit of luck, our mighty rock might hit their mighty cannon. This is an historic day for us all, as soon Ursa, the mighty Warwick Castle trebuchet, will unleash her power upon the enemy. News of this day will spread across the kingdom as a warning to those who try and take our lands.
So, Thomas is ready.
Here goes. Thomas, are you ready?
You fools! To launch a trebuchet first you must lower the arm.
The arm is lowered.
What?
Trebuchet master, prepare to launch!
Prepare to launch.
Launch what?
A mighty rock that will smash your
Pin removed.
5, 4,
Right, quiet everyone.
3,
Before we can shoot, we need to hear Thomas call out, Trebuchet live. Let's listen.
Trebuchet live.
The time has come to destroy that
The time
cannon
has
and
come.
save Warwick Castle. Are you ready to shoot Ursa? Yes!
yeah,
Are you ready to shoot Ursa?
yeah.
We'll count down from 10, then we all shout loose. Ready? 10,
10, 9, 8,
7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cannonball, John Cena! Gee!
We did it.
we destroyed their cannon!
No, it didn't take that long.
The our soldiers are returning. About time.
Oh, and look, those Yorkshire soldiers are running away.
Peasants of Warwick, I commend you on your bravery defending the castle. Sound the retreat!
People of Warwick, together we have been victorious in defending our castle.